hostile. Here we go.
Coming up next in the Grove Street Diesel 6, it will be Ray J. Rent, Medford with his Wicked White Knight.
Steve Blodgett. Old and hostile. $1987.
Might get a little fire, might get a little smoke, might get a little both. Hey, you 2-6 guys, do you get that coming out of your pipes? You wish. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, our second entry in the Superstock Diesel 4x4 class.
Old and hostile.
308.160 is your leader, the Cummins Killer number 3. Not bad, ladies and gentlemen, not bad at all. Stephen Blodgett, out of Mound, Wisconsin, and old and hostile. You know, ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to get out into the pit area and see these machines when we get finished here tonight, you are more than welcome. But be careful. They're very hot. And they will remain hot for a long time. And you want to make sure that no one gets, we want to make sure we see you at the next event. So be careful. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen, the Wicked White Knight, Ray J. Rent.